Have you ever wondered if there's a way to spot trends early using pure price structure without relying on laggy indicators? In today's video, I'm going to show you an incredibly powerful tool that does exactly that. And once you understand it, your chart will never look the same. This indicator is built on one of the strongest concepts in technical analysis: fractals. Fractals are the natural swing highs and swing lows in the market, and they reveal where price has turned with precision. By collecting these fractals and smoothing them over time, the indicator creates a dynamic view of market structure, trend direction, and momentum. The indicator we're using is called Fractals Trend by Big Beluga on TradingView. It's completely free and extremely effective once you understand how its settings work. The first important setting is the fractals detection length, which determines how the indicator finds swing highs and swing lows. A smaller detection length means you'll see more fractals, making the tool more sensitive, but also noisier. A larger length filters out noise and keeps only the stronger swing points. Next is the fractals storage quantity, which controls how many past fractals the indicator remembers and averages. This acts like a memory size. A smaller value makes the band more reactive, while a larger value makes the trend band smoother and more stable. The last key setting is the band's type, which decides how the indicator processes the stored fractals. You can use the average, median, or minimum-maximum values depending on how tight or loose you want the trend band to be, but the default average option works perfectly for most traders. Now let's talk about how to take trades. For a buy setup, simply wait for the blue band to appear on your chart. This signals that the indicator has detected a bullish trend. Once the band turns blue, watch few candles and see if they break the previous structure high. That confirms bullish momentum, and you can enter a buy position. Place your stop loss below the most recent structure low and take profit at a minimum of a 1/2 risk to reward ratio. Or trail your stop along the trend until the band flips back to bearish. For sell trades, just reverse the logic. Wait for the band to turn red, signaling a downtrend. Watch the next few of candles and look for them to break the previous structure low. Enter the sell once that low is broken. Set your stop loss above the most recent structure high and aim for at least a 1/2 RR, or trail the trend until the band flips back to bullish. This simple approach, combining fractals, trend bands, and clean structure breaks, gives you a powerful method for trading with the natural flow of the market. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like the video, comment, and subscribe for more indicators and trading strategies.